Hello everyone, today I want to know you guys about the comparison between steel plate and aluminum plate, and maybe this will help us to understand their difference and how to choose the right material for different application. And before I present, let me introduce myself. My name is Osha Dea Ariyanti, student from Superlative Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya in Design and Manufacture Engineering Study Program. So let's begin. As we know, steel and aluminum plates are two of the most commonly used material in engineering and manufacturing industry, okay? But each has its own strengths and weaknesses. In this presentation, we will compare their weight, strength, corrosion resistance, thermal conductivity, workability, cost, and application using comparative and superlative words. Okay, let's go. Let's start with weight. Steel plates are heavier than aluminum plate because they have a higher density. On the other hand, aluminum plates are the lightest option, weighing about the one-third of steel. This makes aluminum ideal for weight-sensitive applications such as in the aerospace industry. And next is in terms of strength. Steel plates are stronger and more durable under high pressure, and this is why they are used in the heavy-duty structure and such as building and bridge. And however, aluminum, while still strong, is softer compared to steel. It is mean aluminum is less suitable for extreme load-bearing application. And the next is corrosion resistance is another key feature. Steel plates are more prone to rust, especially if they are not coated with a protective layer. In contrast, aluminum plates are the most corrosion resistant because they naturally form an oxide layer that protects them from rust. And makes aluminum a better choice for environment with high moisture exposure. And when it comes to thermal conductivity, aluminum is the best choice. It has a higher thermal conductivity than steel, making it an excellent material for heat dissipation in cooling system and electronics. And steel, on the other hand, has lower thermal conductivity and is not as efficient in transferring heat. And in terms of workability, aluminum is easier to machine, cut, and form, and make it a preferred material for industries that require precise shaping. And steel, however, is harder to shape and requires special treatment such as heating or stronger cutting tool. And now, let's talk about the cost. Steel plates are generally cheaper than aluminum plates. Why? Because this is one of the reasons why steel is more commonly used in a large-scale construction. And aluminum, being more expensive, is chosen when weight and corrosion resistance are more important than cost. And now let's talk about the cost. Okay, steel plates are generally cheaper than aluminum plates. This is one of the reasons why steel is more commonly used in the large-scale construction. And aluminum, being more expensive, is chosen when weight and corrosion resistance are more important than cost. And because of this difference, steel and aluminum plates are used in different industries. Okay, and steel plates are commonly used in construction, shipbuilding, heavy machinery, and bridge, and due to their strength and affordability. Meanwhile, aluminum plates are widely used in aerospace, automotive, electronic, and packaging because of their lightweight and corrosion resistance. And the last, to summarize, steel is stronger, cheaper, but heavier and more prone to rust, while aluminum is lighter, more corrosion resistant, but more expensive. Okay, and choosing between the two depend on the specific application and requirement. If strength and affordability are the priority, steel is the better option. If weight reduction and corrosion resistance are more important, aluminum is the better choice. And maybe that's my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye.